I was shocked to learn that 95% of the skill set my team leverages today will not be the same skills they will need to apply to drive the business forward in 3 years' time. It is becoming increasingly difficult to push my transformation projects across remote and fragmented locations with culturally diverse teams. And deploying training and upskilling programs fast on a large scale, including onboarding of new staff, requires a large amount of time, energy, and ultimately money. How can I develop? How can I grow? How can I transform them and myself and my organization in a flexible and scalable way so that we can continue to differentiate ourselves, stay ahead of the competition, challenge the business as usual, and drive the business forward?
At Timeo-Performance, we believe skills development can and should be integrated into work life with solutions that contribute today and in the future, so you can be reassured that you will be achieving your KPIs, objectives, and business goals for the next month, as well as for the next year. Our Skills Factory was inspired by a creative and innovative concept from 1960s artist Andy Warhol and his art studio, which was famously named The Factory. To mimic this concept, we developed our own creative space as a space where you can craft the skills needed to succeed. The Skills Factory is a unique digital learning space and social platform to develop, nurture, engage, and motivate you through your skills development journey. You are just one click away from renowned Harvard professors, content experts, and industry leaders.
Novade is a tech company. We have to double our resources every year. So for us to bring people up to skill is a big challenge, and the platform is a wonderful way to train people and bring them to knowledge very, very quickly.
Learn from the best with the world-class learning experience platform, Cross Knowledge. And you can learn in the flow of work, anytime, anywhere, on any device. Get the skills you need today and protect your future success with the Skills Factory by Timeo-Performance.